Our garage door roller, this roller has some issues. You can see it's already tilted, and this end it's already disappeared. And normal situation it should be like this. You can see the roller is quite straight. This one also has some issues. It's also a little bit tilted. So I'm going to buy maybe 2 rollers from Amazon and replace them. Okay, now I bought the roller from Amazon. It costs about $4 each, and I'm going to replace the old roller. Basically, what we need to do is just remove the spots here, here, and then this should come out. Replace this roller with a new one, then put the bolts back. At the bottom of garage door here has a sensor. So I'm going to cover this just in case when I remove the bolts over there and something drop, it may damage this sensor. Okay, now you can see the sensor is covered. This frame was taken off. So now what we need to do is just really easy. Just replace this old roller with this new roller. Then put it back over there. It should be okay. Okay, now the 2 old rollers are replaced. You can see this one actually it's quite damaged. It was replaced from here and also here. So now let's test, see if it works. Okay, it worked really well.